Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today I would like to talk about Injective INJ USDT trading pair with my customer Krasar. Updates. Let's dive in, guys. Around here I shared with you the video, so we need to out of Injective. But you remember that guy with over than 500,000 followers, Crypto Wizard or Wiz or something like this one. That guy shill you all the time. Buy the deep to the moon, $100. It's just the beginning, blah blah blah, all this stuff. Here. All that time period, that guy just distributed on retail, on own audience, own followers, and this is how the industry works, right? They need some exit liquidity. I'm not blaming especially that guy, but it happened all the time. The big influencer collaborate with the big project, paid or not, or some allocation, it's a fact. It's just a fact, because you remember that even the Polkadot spent over than a few millions, I guess, for marketing campaign with influencer, and the influencer have to talk only good things about the Polkadot. And anyway, the Polkadot still at $4. Nothing happened, right? But that time it was a campaign where the Polkadot traded at $15, for example. The same story with Injective. So guys, time to buy accumulate Injective was here in 2022, right? 2023. In 2020 at 27 block. So 0.27. It's an accumulation block. This block still the same, still relevant, but I don't think so. We will drop to that area now. The chart of Injective absolutely similar to chart of FAT USDT. Take a look. So it's pretty same charts. Just copy paste. It was so obvious, right? We will drop to the bottom again, because the FAT pumped because of hype around AI sector, right? And Injective pumped because it was something new, right? And the people just follow the market. Everybody's screaming we're going to the $100. So sometimes the price drive by community, by rumors, by news, by upgrades, partnership, and all of this media stuff. But anyway, we need to know when to in and when to out. So that time it was the time to out, right? And I showed you a lot of data why we have to out, because we trade way over exit line on the weekly time frame. It was not time to in Injective, it was time to out. Here was a money outflow from the Injective, right? Here was a money inflow, bounce, and I marked we should drop to the buy line. So it was like $14. It was comfortable price, but even after that, we dumped it on the fundamental value of this token, almost touched the zero level, 578. So at least at $6, it was the logical reason why it's okay to buy Injective. Even at $14, it was a logical reason why it's okay accumulate Injective, right? So I believe in new all-time high for Injective, right? So it's just a matter of time. If we go to the monthly time frame, here was a money inflow, money outflow at the top. Now we landed to the bottom and no money inflow on the monthly. But based on seasonality, can we drop like this one this summer? Yes, of course we can. 1, 2, 3 candle months, and we can drop again to accumulation block. I don't think so it will happen. So let's be real. $2.14 now or in the next 3 months looks unrealistically, right? So let's be real. But everything possible. I'm more about the recover move, because if we take a look at the chart like this one, we leave this current liquidity pool, this liquidity pool, and this one. So anyway, more than okay now to put the price to yearly open, test it, and start climbing up to 1.61. Grab this liquidity and new all-time high, maybe and most likely the 56.80 56.86 can be the last all-time high for Injective with a three drives pattern, this one, or 76.37. I'm more about a 56.87, just like a, just a sweep of the high, and we will go down into bear market. So this is my humble opinion, right, guys? But if you're looking to buy Injective, I'm gonna show you on the daily time frame. The potential targets were more than okay accumulated. Here, we opened the daily time frame, the take profit line. So we bounced from the buy line. This is fundamental value. Take profit line would be good to see now. Test in the next 5-6 days, right? By end of May, something like this one, $9.52, or even lower to test the buy line, especially the buy line 733. This is going to be the good entry. This is a logical, good entry for Injective by my personal opinion. Capitulation, if something happened, just for example, BTC will crash to 92K. Is it possible? Yes, of course. And it can be the same zone, $2.27. I don't believe in $2.27 now. I'm more about this type of scenario and a new high or new all-time high. Buy now or not, I rather skip Injective at these current prices. But yes, the road can be open at least to the yearly open here. $20. $20, it's more than real to see. That's why, guys, I believe, like conclusion, I believe Injective new all-time high. We got a huge pulse above, so it's like a magnet, it's like a triggers, to grab that liquidity, just a matter of time, and if we check on ADZ direction indicator here, it was a time to out of Injective. Now it's time to in, step by step, up to your own risk, of course, but it's comfortable price to in Injective. Just if you're comfortable to buy now at $12.75 and you don't want to wait to the $7, for example, you can accumulate now, just wait. But with that amount of money, what you can afford to lose or be in some temporary losses, for example, you invest at, let's say, 13. At 26, just withdraw national deposit and leave free tokens here at the first level. And leave free tokens. Zero risk, absolutely. So this is accumulation. Definitely now it's not a time to out of the Injective based on ADZ. It's not a crazy distribution. That's why I wish to see the new all-time high and form the huge divergence on ADZ on a weekly. So guys, I hope you watched this videos about Injective, this video about Injective. That time in May 2023, I waited the deeper correction. And like you can see, not all the time, guys, sell in May, it's something like the rule we have to drop here. Basically, in the summer, it was just consolidation, and spring, autumn, we pump it. It can be absolutely the same story. So if we hold the line here, summer, for example, like a long chop. So let's say this block can be like chop, and after that, October, November, new all-time high. We can't know the timing, right? 100%. We can't know the timing. But I believe in new all-time high. From these current prices or from a little bit lower, yes, I believe in it. Take a look. The money power I already showed you. Here, market mood. Imagine here was a disbelief capitulation zone. This was a time where influencer shield you buy Injective because we're going to the $100. It was so obvious to sell and out of that project. And here is the market mood. Total oversaturated. Sell, sell, sell on the weekly. Now we got some signals buy back, and finally it's depression capitulation zone. It's a good one. It's good. So now it's a right time to take a risk, take an action or not. Daily, I wish, of course, to see the little bit drop. Yes, of course, because on the daily, sell, drop. No signal to sell, but I wish to see at least $9.72 or even $7. But here it was a great time for entry to buy. So if you use my SAT, you could track everything by yourself. You can just add alerts, for example, and wait the targets. So guys, like conclusion, my new all-time high is 56.86. Capitulation, of course, is 227, but I wait there just a sweep of 8.89 and main reversal move, and some maybe some chop 3 months in a row this summer. But anyway, I believe in new all-time high. Guys, if you like to trade with my custom record set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.